guys!
Hey guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video guys, mag-unbox tayo ng Molly Warner Brothers. So huwag na natin patagalin guys, kasama natin ngayon si Sky at bubuksan na natin ito. So ito na guys, bubuksan na natin. Yan. So pagka in-open nyo siya guys, makikita nyo.
Guys, we gonna piercing. Oh, and
Yeah.
we gonna
Aamoy
box
nyo yung...
it, guys.
Panalo ka sa auction.
Can I smell it?
Yeah, you can smell it. Nanalo ka sa auction at nakuha natin
Smells
itong
like
Molly
poo-poo.
Warner Brothers. So ito yung itsura niya guys sa
Papa,
harap.
smells like poo-poo.
Smells like poo-poo? Yeah, it smells like something like poo-poo. So ito yung side guys. Huwag na natin patagalin at ilalabas na natin siya. So 1, 2, 3. Okay guys, so ito na sila at unahin na natin ating first box. Ay,
On your phone.
Batman! Tenenenenenenenen. Pero
Can I see?
nakakapagtaka guys, meron siyang something sa likod. Ini-scratch.
Scratch?
Yeah, bago yan.
Can I see, Papa?
Ito guys, yung itsura ni
Papa,
Batman.
what
Yan.
is outside?
So yan, maganda nga yung itsura ni Batman dito.
Why is it out in space?
So ito yung itsura ni Batman guys.
Papa, why is that
In space because he likes his space. Uy, magkasunod ah. At ang lumabas guys ay Superman. So ito guys, yung itsura ni Superman. Sobrang ganda na niyan. Ayan. Ganda yan.
I like it.
You like it really? Kahit yellow yung buhok.
But it's moldy.
Oo, it's Molly. O, tabi sila ni Batman.
Yeah,
At
because they are superheroes.
superheroes.
Wait,
So,
do
next
you
na tayo.
know?
Uy,
Papa,
medyo na tabingin ng ID
Papa,
card.
hand and hand can
At ang
fly
lumabas guys
together.
ay
Papa, hand and hand
Together.
can fly. Yeah, they can fly
so check
together.
natin si Annabelle. You know Annabelle?
Is it or is it
Annabelle.
or is it
Uy,
bad?
ganda ni Annabelle dito ha.
Can I see, Papa?
O, kamukha ni Annabelle.
Can I see?
Hindi lang medyo nakakatakot.
Can I see?
O yan, sige. You can have it.
It's just like Anna.
Gusto sa Annabelle. Nakuha natin. Ay!
Papa's Annabelle. Papa's
Space
Annabelle.
Jam!
Papa, it's Annabelle.
Ano natin? Space
Papa,
Jam?
it's Annabelle.
Yeah, it's Annabelle. So let's check this. This is Space Jam.
Who
Ooh!
is it, Papa?
Space Jam, guys. Ang ganda nito. Oh. Bagay na bagay sa ating Space Molly na 400%.
Can I see, Papa?
Yeah, you can see.
What is a plastic?
Nakita niyo na ba yung card? Ito guys, yung itsura ng card. Ating next guys, ang lumabas ay Ready Player One.
Can I see, Papa?
Yan.
Can I see?
Sure.
Wow, it's a rabbit.
It's a rabbit.
Why
Wala
is
siyang
that
itsura.
space too? I know why he's in space because
Ganda.
this is her card.
Yeah, this is her card. Sure.
Can I see?
Ganda ng kulay ng buhok niya dito guys. Oh,
Cute.
cute. Mamaya isa-isayin natin sila. Para siyang may espada sa likod. Galing.
Papa, I know
Ito.
who's space jump. It's a rabbit.
Great Gatsby.
Papa, I know her. Papa, I know who's space jump.
Ooh,
It's a rabbit.
it's a rabbit. Tingnan natin si Great
Rabbit.
Gatsby.
Rabbit. Rabbit. Rabbit.
Ooh.
Can I see, Papa?
Ma-fur. Pero parang babaeng-babae siya
Can I
dito,
see,
no?
Papa?
Si Great Gatsby.
Can I see?
Babae naman.
Pero babae ba talaga si Great Gatsby? Di ba lalaki?
Oh, so wobbly and so
Sabi
soft.
siya sa likod.
Papa, the neck is so
Bida.
soft.
Okay. Hindi ko kasi
Papa, the neck is so
matandaan yung ano
soft.
yung tsura ba niya. So ito guys, yung tsura niya.
Papa,
Oh.
space TV.
Oh, next.
Space TV.
Ito na guys, yung kaabang-abang
Papa,
si Jerry
is
sa Tom is Jerry.
that
Jerry. So ito guys, yung tsura ni Jerry. Ayan, kuhang-kuha talaga. At nasa loob si Tom. Ayan. Tapos pagka inikot natin, ang laki ng tenga niya. Pag ginawa niyo siya guys, napaka-kinis.
Papa, why does have a cat in her belly?
Because
She
it's
have
Jerry.
a mouse in her tummy too.
Ooh, at ang nakuha natin guys ay Gremlins.
You mean?
So tingnan natin si Gremlins. Mukhang mabuhok-buhok to eh.
Wow, that is
itsura niya, pero para pag hinawakan niyo siya, alam niyo yung umawa kayo ng crunchy na hindi mo maintindihan. We hold it. Hold Gremlin.
It's so soft too.
Yeah, it's so soft. Sa ating next box, guys. Ano pa yan? At ang lumabas, guys, ay Willy Wonka. So, check natin si Willy Wonka. Accessories. Ayan, ilalagay siya sa kamay. Pero ganda ha, guys. Para talagang ito yung kapartner na talaga halos niya na 13 ani po, di ba? No? Si Sir at saka si Ma.
Can I
O,
see?
diba?
Can I see? Can
Ito
I
yung
see?
itsura niya, guys.
Can I see?
Uy.
Look, Papa.
At ang lumabas, guys, ay Corpse Bride. So, check na natin si Corpse Bride. Sorry, medyo sakit sa lalamunan. Yan.
Papa has jacket.
Yeah, I have sakit.
Why?
Because,
Because
look. Ang ganda nito, oh.
can I see? Can
Oh.
Papa,
Para siyang may veil sa likod.
Papa, you ubu because they candy.
Yeah, I ate candies. I'm sorry.
Because my friends candy.
Yeah. At ang lumabas, guys, ay Tom sa Tom and Jerry. Ayan yung itsura niya.
Can I see? Can I see?
Sure.
Why is
Itsura ni
it
Jerry. Ay, ni Tom.
cute?
Na nakalagay si Jerry sa kanyang pocket.
Yeah.
So, tabi na natin sila. Yan.
So put it here, Pa. It's my
Yeah.
hulu.
May hulog.
It's my hulu,
So, ito na yung last box, guys.
That's my big hulu.
Ito yung pinakahuli. Oh my gosh.
Is
Ito
it?
yung lumabas, guys.
Is it Molly or Pokemon?
Oh, you check it, dali. Ang pangalan niya, guys, ay The Lord of the Rings.
What? The Lord is the Ring?
Yeah.
Oh, I know why he's there. Pa, I know why he's in space because that's her card.
Yeah. Uy, ganda rin yung itsura nito.
You're the good. You're
Parang
cute.
goddess. Di ba?
Can I see
Oh,
them?
you can see it.
Wow.
Pero walang huwag kayo magalala, guys, dahil
Here's the
kahit hindi
angel.
natin nakuha yung secret, ay meron tayong secret. At ito yung secret natin, guys. Oh,
Ang
ganda ng secret, di ba? oh.
But that is our secret.
So ito yung pinaka-kompletong kompleto na itsura, guys, ng ating buong set. So,
Hi, Pa.
yung itsura nila.
Hi, Papa.
Hello!
Welcome here.
Yeah, ganda nito, guys, yung Molly na secret nito. Dahil pagka ginanyan nyo siya, pwede siyang isabit sa pader. Pag ginanyan nyo siya, pwede nyo naman siyang kumuha ng something. Ano kailangan? Ito yung likod. Yan. So, nakakalas to, guys, ha. Pero nakalagay dito nakakatuwa. M.
Why is what?
Si Rock. So, lagay na natin siya dito sa harapan. Ayan, siya lang yung naiiba ng posisyon. Lahat sila naka ganito. So, anong nagustuhan niyo dito? What do you like the most? Who do you like the most? This one? Oh, ito daw nagustuhan ni Sky kasi kamukha niya daw. Kapares niya daw ng buhok for today's video. So, ako, guys, ang pinaka nagustuhan ko dyan ay si
But what do you want?
ito, guys. Dahil kapartner ito ng space molly natin.
But what do you want?
Which one? Oh, yung secret daw ang gusto ni Madam. So kung nagustuhan nyo, guys, ang ating unboxing video, huwag nyo kalimutan mag-like, subscribe, at mag-share ng ating YouTube channel. So paano, guys? Bye-bye!
Bye-bye.
Yun!
Yun.
Space molly.
Luta.